Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Vanguard website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Vanguard account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the Investing tab at the top of the page. Select retirement or general investment based on your needs. Explore the different types of accounts available. Choose the account type that aligns with your financial goals. Review the investment options under that account type. Take note of the associated risks and potential returns. Set a savings goal to determine how much you want to invest. Use Vanguard's budgeting tools available in your account. Access the Planning and Advice section for budgeting calculators. Input your current income and expenses into the calculator. Adjust the inputs to reflect your financial priorities. Review the recommended savings rate and investment strategy. Decide how often you want to contribute to your investment. Set up automatic contributions to align with your budget. Monitor your budget regularly and make adjustments as necessary. Revisit your investment strategy every few months. Be mindful of any market changes that could affect your investments. Utilize Vanguard's resources for ongoing education about budgeting and investing. Keep a record of your progress towards your financial goals. Review your spending habits to identify areas for improvement. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. Stay disciplined and stick to your budget over time. Remind yourself of your long-term financial objectives regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.